This is insane. 9.2 million views. Revenue is 799. Absolutely going crazy. Uploaded less than 7 days ago. This video is only 5 days old. 5% commission, around $40,000. Imagine you are scrolling TikTok shop when you suddenly see a product that's made $800,000 in less than 7 days, making the person $39,000. Obviously, you want a piece of the pie, but then you realize you need the thing in your hand and you don't have the funds to buy it with. Even if you did, by the time you get it, the wave might have already passed. What if there was a way for you to skip all of the headache and clone a real-life video with AI within minutes? I'm going to show you a simple 5-step roadmap that covers every single thing that we need to do, starting with the first step. If you are following along, I have left all the links to the tools that I'm going to be talking about linked in the description. A lot of them are deals that I've negotiated for my viewers, so you can trial these tools out completely free, starting of course with the product. As you can see, it's all here. This is the blueprint. So this is a Shark Power Pro Flex, $379 on TikTok shop. It pays around 5% in commissions. We're going to just quickly jump into Kalo data. We're going to generate a video using Kalo Clip. For comparison, we are also going to create the same video using a tool called Nextify, and we're going to compare the two. The result surprised even me, but more on that later on. It's also worth noting, finding the right product is nothing if you cannot find the right video ad, which is what we're going to look at next. When it comes to the video ad, this is the one that we went with. A couple of key details here. The video was uploaded on the 15th of March 2026, less than 7 days ago. Here we've got an option for storyboard that we can export. We've got an option to download the video. We've got an option for the script as well. In fact, if I jump over to Kalo data here, you can see all of this information is available on the website directly here. Now, if I scroll a bit further down on this page, this is absolutely going crazy. It's received 9.2 million views. They've sold 2.1k units. The revenue is 799 in the last 7 days. This video is only 5 days old. The product offers 5% commission. That works out at around $40,000 in less than 5 days. Wanted to show you guys why we have selected this product. Also going to play the video ad a little bit just to give you an idea of what it is that we are going to be replicating with AI.
I tested 3 of the biggest name brand cordless vacs so you don't have to, and the results might surprise you. All 3 both have complete allergen seals, and if you have allergy, what floor type you're on, and
just going to skip through it. We don't need to watch the full thing. It's 1 minute long, but we get an idea of roughly what we are going to be doing. So now we are going to move on to the next step, which is the transcript. Surprisingly, Kalo data did not allow me to copy the transcript using their transcript export tool, which is weird. I think it might have been down. All I did is upload the video, ChatGPT read it, and then it created that transcript, which I then copied. But the next thing is, of course, the storyboard, which we are going to jump into next. Before we do that, if you are finding value from this video, I would appreciate it if you dropped a big like. It just tells the YouTube gods that more people need to watch the video. It's free and it's much appreciated. Getting back into the topic at hand, I also managed to steal the storyboard of the video as well. Now, for those who don't know the difference between the transcript and the storyboard, the transcript is mainly just the audio, what the person is saying in the video, whereas the storyboard is everything. It's how the whole video is produced and put together. We've got the style of the video, the scene, the subject, the timeline of the action, so what the person is actually doing, camera angles, framing, performance, lighting, color, audio timing as well, along with any negative prompts, or a bunch of different elements that are going to help us put this together. So how did I go about doing that? So I've got my prompt here that you can see on the screen. In order to get that, I collated all of this information that I had. Remember, I've got the transcript, I've got the storyboard. Those 2 things alone are enough for me to go into ChatGPT and say, hey, this is what I'm trying to do. This is the platform that I'm trying to use. I am looking to create a video that clones this. Can you create a prompt for me that I can copy and paste into the tool that will create the video for me? Within Kalo data, there is an option to create a video, meaning you don't necessarily need to come up with a prompt. I'm going to show you that in just a second here, but we do need the prompt for Nextify because it does not have that information. Quick overview of the prompt here. Okay, so all of that being out of the way, having followed all of our steps in our roadmap, identifying the product, identifying the ad that we are going to be copying and replicating, and pulling together the transcript, the storyboard, as well as the prompt that's going to tell AI what to create for us. These are the results. Firstly, I'm going to play you the result that Nextify made.
Tired of weak vacuums? Meet the Shark Power Pro Flex.
and then Kalo data via the Kalo Clip tool.
Tired of weak vacuums? Meet the Shark Power Pro Flex.
And we're just going to have a look at those and just decide which we believe is going to be our winner. Again, drop a big like if you are finding value in the video, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.
Tired of weak vacuums? Meet the Shark Power Pro Flex. Its hypervelocity suction and floor detect technology grab every crumb. Plus, the flexible design reaches anywhere. Grab yours today.
So it's quite interesting, this one. I like the visuals. The text is a bit janky. It's not necessarily telling anyone anything, but I don't care about that. That can be fixed at a later stage. Overall, the visuals, I would say, are pretty decent. They also tried to copy the branding, but again, that also came out a bit janky. But for the most part, we can see the tool itself. We can see the surrounding. We can see the lady. So overall, it didn't come out too bad. This was the prompt that I copied from ChatGPT. We've used Sora 2 as the AI model. There's a bunch of different models that you can use here. There's Kling, there's VO3, Seedance as well, vertical video format, 15 seconds long. I only asked for one result. That was enough for me. But let's go ahead and see what Kalo data came up with.
Tired of weak vacuums? Meet the Shark Power Pro Flex. Its hypervelocity suction and floor detect technology grab every crumb. Plus, the flexible design reaches anywhere. Grab yours today.
Kalo Clip wins by a mile here. I like the visuals here, but I think it tried too much. The branding really didn't come through. The text is janky. You cannot read that. It doesn't make any sense. That screams AI. Kalo Clip came out winning, mirrors the original video a lot more better.
Every crumb. Plus, the flexible design reaches anywhere.
So yeah, overall for me, the winner is Kalo data. Now, in terms of next steps here, you can take this a step further by going ahead and editing these videos in your tool of choice. You can go ahead and use CapCut. You can go ahead and use Descript. You can use what other tools are out there. Plenty of editing tools, Vinci, whatever it is that you use. But the reason why I'm saying that is if you're not entirely happy with this result that you've gotten and feel like it needs to go further, it needs more, you can just splice it. For example, I could splice in some of this content that I've got here from clips and videos that I find online. If we look at these angles here and these different views, I could copy, zoom in, splice some of that in. I could use both of these videos together, throw them into CapCut, use some elements from this one as well. I could remove some of the commentary here and use my own voice. There's a bunch of different directions that you can go. All of the heavy lifting is done for you. If you'd like me to do a more detailed video talking about how to edit these videos, let me know in the comments. Shameless plug, I have a bunch of different playlists and videos that focus purely on Shopify, TikTok Shop, the latest e-commerce AI tools. If you are wanting to delve in more, in fact, one of them is on the screen right now. I'll see you in there.
Tired of weak vacuums? Grab yours today.
Tired of weak vacuums? Grab every crumb. Plus, the flexible design reaches anywhere. Grab yours today.